Hey, you've probably heard that Taco Bell's Enchirito came back, and that is the one dish at Taco Bell that I used to love growing up. But I am not the same person, and I don't eat the same way as I used to, so I had to make my own. And I love using bison meat. This meat had so much flavor, and the last time I had ground beef, it tasted like hard dust. This recipe is pretty easy, and to save time, I thought I would try two of the sauces that are out on the market. And just like the Enchirito, I left the onions, for the most part, pretty much raw, slightly cooked. These tortilla shells are probably some of the better ones on the market, and once they're heated up, you just fill up your enchilada, because an Enchirito is an enchilada, and fold them and stick them in the pan and then cover it with the sauce of your choice. And also getting the organic sauce that's already pre-made is a time saver. Also, when I went to Taco Bell and tried the Enchirito, which I later regretted, I noticed that they didn't put the black olives on top anymore. And so, of course, I threw those on there. And then the second sauce I tried was the sweeter sauce. Honestly, my opinion is to go for the Hatch sauce. It was way better, much more deeper, rich, spicier taste to it. I hope you'll stick around for more videos. Thanks for subscribing, and happy holidays.